Level 1. The Fall. The year is 1600. Your lord is dead, not in battle, not gloriously, executed. His castle burns behind you. His banner has already been replaced. You are still alive. That's the problem. A samurai without a master is called a ronin. The word means wave man. Like a wave, you drift, unanchored, unwanted. You were trained from childhood in the code of Bushido, loyalty above life. And now, loyalty has nothing to attach to. Some of your brothers kneel and open their stomachs in ritual seppuku. You hesitate. You choose to live. That decision will follow you forever. Level 2. The Outcast. You sell your armor first, then your horse, then your pride. In the early Edo period, peace spreads across Japan under the Tokugawa Ieyasu. Peace is bad for men like you. There are no wars to fight, no stipends to collect, no castles to defend. Villagers fear you, officials distrust you. You are trained to kill in a country that suddenly values order. Some ronin become bodyguards, some become teachers, some become thieves. You tell yourself you won't fall that far. But hunger makes philosophers into pragmatists. Level 3. The Sword for Hire. A merchant hires you, not for honor, for intimidation. You escort caravans, you collect debts, you stand silently behind men who want to appear powerful. You are paid in rice and silver. You tell yourself this is temporary. But something changes. When you draw your katana, it is no longer for a lord, it is for coin. You fight another ronin in an alley over a contract. He is fast, you are faster. When he falls, you wait for the rush. It doesn't come. Only silence. You are not serving justice anymore, you are surviving. Level 4. The Reputation. Your name begins to circulate. Dangerous, reliable, unattached. In towns near Edo, people whisper about skilled ronin who sell their blade without hesitation. Some join underground movements resisting the shogunate. Some drift toward organized crime. You are invited. You decline. Not because you are noble, because you don't trust anyone enough to follow again. But reputation is a trap. The better you become, the more others want to test you. Every duel risks death. Every victory isolates you further. You start sleeping lightly. Hand near your sword. Level 5. The Philosopher. You hear stories of Miyamoto Musashi, another ronin, another exile. He wrote the Book of 5 Rings, Strategy as Survival. You begin studying instead of drinking. Zen teachings, sword forms, stillness. You realize something uncomfortable. Without a master, you are finally free. But freedom feels like emptiness. Your entire identity was built around obedience. Now you must decide who you are without command. This is harder than war. Level 6. The Uprising. News spreads of the 47 Ronin incident. Masterless samurai who avenged their lord, then surrendered, then died by ordered seppuku. The public calls them loyal. The government calls them criminals. You study their story carefully. They regained honor for one night, then they died. You understand the truth. Redemption for a ronin is temporary. The system does not forgive independence. Level 7. The Decline. You are older now. Scars layered over scars. Your reflexes slower. You take fewer jobs. Young samurai serve powerful daimyo families. You serve no one. The new era doesn't need wandering blades. Some ronin open schools, some fade into farming, some drink themselves into early graves. You still train at dawn, out of habit, not purpose. Level 8. The Erasure. One winter, you fall ill. No retainers, no clan physician, no heir. You lie on a tatami floor in a rented room. Your sword rests beside you. You think about the castle that burned, the choice you made not to die. You survived, but survival was not glory. It was endurance. You are buried without ceremony. No banner, no anthem. Just earth. Level 9. The Legend. Years later, children hear stories of wandering swordsmen. They imagine freedom, adventure, honor. They don't imagine hunger, isolation, the quiet humiliation of selling your blade. The ronin becomes myth, but the reality was simpler. You were a man trained for loyalty living in a world that removed your master. You were not a hero, not a villain, just displaced, and history forgets displaced men.